Archita Satish, who has a total of 6 gold medals. The Hindustan Times Limited gold medal for topper in labor law. The C. Dikshitulu Centenary gold medal for topper in international law. The Punugoti Muralidhar Rao gold medal for topper in ADR. The Honorable Sri Justice P. Jagan Mohan Reddy Memorial gold medal for the girl student who has secured highest in constitutional law. The Ishriti Banerjee Memorial gold medal for the female topper in company law. And the Srimati Pavani Satyanarayanamma Memorial Gold Medal to the best female student for overall excellence instituted by Sri P.P. Rao. Bhavya, who has a total of 4 gold medals, the biological E gold medal for the student who has secured maximum grade in environmental law. The Professor S.P. Chatterjee Memorial Gold Medal for topper in environmental law. The Santosh Kumar Mukherjee Memorial Gold Medal for the best orator. And the Sri YVV Satyanarayana Murthy Memorial Gold Medal for the topper in criminal law and the law of evidence. Tejasvi Baban Patil, a total of 3 gold medals. Sri Pavani Sarveshwar Rao Memorial Gold Medal for the best student in law of contracts. Sri Ashitendra Nath Mitra Memorial Gold Medal for the best student in law of contracts 2. Srimati B. Ratna Reddy and Honorable Sri Justice Sudarshan Reddy Gold Medal for the topper in property law and the law of contract instituted by Sri B. Vijay Sen Reddy Advocate, Hyderabad. Shruti Avinash has a total of 3 gold medals. The M. Rajendra Reddy Gold Medal for student who has secured highest mark in law of torts. Srimati Banda Ishwarama Memorial Gold Medal for the topper in history. And Dinanath Dhananya Gold Medal for the topper in family law. Garimalla Akhil Surya, who has 3 gold medals. C.V. Subramanya Shastri Memorial Gold Medal for the student who has secured the maximum grade in Constitutional Law 1. Justice Syed Shah Muhammad Qadri Gold Medal for topper in Constitutional Law. Ananta Narasimha Reddy Gold Medal for the topper in Constitutional Law. Sharon Salvi, who has 2 gold medals. Sri M. Chandrasekhar Rao Gold Medal for the topper in Constitutional Law 2. And Y. Suryanarayana Memorial Gold Medal for the topper in Constitutional Law 2. I now request Honorable Sri Justice P.S. Narasimha, Judge, Supreme Court of India, to award the gold medals to Shreyam Sharma, who has 2 gold medals, the P.D. Agarwal Memorial Gold Medal for the student who has secured highest grade in law and poverty, and C. Balbir Singh Rathi Memorial Gold Medal for the topper in legal methods. Sanvi Bhatia, who has 2 gold medals, Avan Excess Gold Medal for the student who has secured highest grade in political science and international